What is the difference between people and other animals? Maybe you thought about intelligence, and yes, it is true that we're more intelligent than animals, but there is also a very important difference because people are free while animals follow their instinct. Think about this difference for a moment. Animals act from necessity. What happens to them is coded in their DNA, in their genes. That's what we call instinct, a prefixed behavior that cannot be changed. If a lion is very hungry, it will kill because it needs to eat. It would be absurd to punish the lion, sending it to jail because it killed another animal, because the lion is simply following its instinct, acting from necessity, doing what is necessary to do in order to eat. But people are different. We don't act from necessity. We act freely. We can decide what to do. This intelligence we have can also help us to decide what to do. So we have free will, that is the ability to decide what to do, the capacity to choose our actions. This creates an enormous difference between people and animals because we can be punished and blamed for what we did because we could have chosen to act in a different way. Freedom implies responsibility. If you're free, you decide what to do, then you're responsible of your choices. What does the word responsibility mean? The word responsibility comes from respond, and this means that we have the necessity of giving an explanation, a justification of our choices, and it also means that we have to face the consequences of what we did, repairing the possible harm that our actions did to other people. The fact that people can choose what to do, the fact that we're free, creates a lot of problems because freedom can interfere with another people. So there are a lot of problems, a lot of conflicts in our social coexistence, and they come because we're free agents, because we have freedom. That's why we need rules to organize our social coexistence. We need norms to determine what is right and what is wrong. But there are different types of norms, of rules, and it's important that you understand this difference. There are, on the one hand, moral rules, and on the other hand, legal rules. Moral rules, morality, is made by your conscience. Moral rules are the rules that you make by yourself, that tell you what you personally think that is right or wrong. So these rules are autonomous, they are made by you. And if you don't obey them, what happens? Nobody's going to punish you, but think about it for a while. You want to be an honest person. What happens if you tell a lie? Nobody punishes you, but you feel bad. You feel regret and remorse because you broke your own moral rules. Legal rules are very different. Legal rules are not made by you, they are made by the authorities. The government, the principal of the school, your teacher, your parents. So they are heteronymous, they are not autonomous rules. And if you break these rules, you can be punished because the law is for everybody, it is not personal.